What's up, Forerunner fans? It's Andrew from Trailrunner Customs, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2000 to 2002 Toyota Tundra Grill. We're going to be doing a short unboxing and an assembly for the grill and the lights. So opening up the box, the first thing you're going to see is the bubble wrapped grill, and then if you reach in, you find the Toyota grill insert and the screws for your grill. Setting that aside, you're also going to find the lights and the harness for the lights. And then obviously you have the grill itself. So taking the grill out of the package, as you can see, this is an ABS plastic honeycomb style grill. It fits directly into your existing vehicle. There's no cutting or anything like that. Looking into the lights and the harness, opening the box, you can see there are 3 lights that just snap right into any honeycomb. And then these lights connect directly to the harness, which has an open end. Next, you have the grill insert and screws. Opening that up, first you have the screws that go on the back of the grill and attach it to the hood. These screws are larger and have a square head. And then you have smaller screws used for installation and assembly. And then you can pull out the grill insert itself. As you can see, it says Toyota in silver letters. So you can go ahead and take the Toyota insert out of the package, since that is what you're going to be putting on the back of the grill. As you can see, it has 4 holes, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and those are going to be screwing into the back of the grill itself. So you flip the grill over, and then you want to take your insert, like so, flip that over, and then set it into the grooves in the back of the grill, and the screw holes should line up and it should drop right into place. At this point, you want to take the small bag of screws and grab the 4 black screws that come with the insert. You can go ahead and take these and grab your Phillips head screwdriver, and then you just want to fasten them into the 4 holes. So after you get those Phillips head screws tightened down, you can go ahead and flip your grill back over, and it is now time to install your Raptor style amber lights. So the only thing you have to do to install these lights is just pick any honeycomb. Like I said, it can be a full honeycomb, top or bottom, and all you need to do is slide the end harness through the light, push it all the way in, and it should click and fit right into place. As you can see, I'm spacing these lights out with 1 honeycomb gap in the middle, and here I am just snapping the second one and then putting in the final light, and that way it's even, it's symmetrical, and it gives it that nice Raptor style look. So after you've snapped in your lights, you are done with your assembly and you are ready to install. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, if you want to make your Toyota stand out, pick up a TRD Pro grill on our website today, link in description.